YouTube channel, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin, about your favorite token, and about your favorite crypto project. And guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about the future of blockchain, autonomous network cross-domain flexible sharded system, or guys, simply ANFS. My dear friends, please remember this. This will be the future of blockchain, basically the next generation, ANFS, with their great products. We'll talk more about them in a moment. Before we can start, make sure to follow them on their socials. So for example, their Discord or their Telegram by clicking on the link here. So you in Telegram, and of course make sure to to follow them on Twitter. Here we go. They already have 4,700 members and they have just started, and I think that the bright future is in front of this great project. So why? Take a look at this. An efficient and secure consensus mechanism is crucial for the whole blockchain system, and you can find out more about how does it work by clicking on the video here, on the link here. And what can an ANFS do? Development of dApp at lower cost, lower transfer fee, transfer speed, faster transfer speed, better user experience, and more comprehensive ecosystem. So blockchain sharding divides the blockchain into several shards, so mainnet maintained by several nodes per shard, greatly reduce storage, computation, and communication costs. I mean, this is something great. They have basically combined some of the great features from, for example, proof of history or Byzantine fault, and they have made HPOS consensus mechanism, HPOS, or simply hybrid proof of sequence. Participating nodes are divided into general user nodes, shard sequence generation nodes, and shard sequence verification nodes. If you want to become a validator, you can do that easily. I'll show you later how you can actually apply for being a validator. Eco and developer friendly, connecting the next internet through the most revolutionary consensus serverless application across domain features. So guys, you can find out more about this great project. We'll take a look at the white paper, of course, but of course, if you want to become a validator, you have to click here, guys. It will lead you to this page, so become a validator. And of course, you need to contact them on their Telegram group. So current number of validators on mainnet. And of course, guys, take a look at this. HPO's consensus mechanism overall architecture, which divides the blockchain into several shards, mainnet maintained by several nodes per shard, greatly reduce storage like we mentioned previously. So validator rewards, this is the most important thing, guys. Node types and selection. In the HPOS consensus mechanism, the participating nodes are divided, like I told you guys previously, general user nodes, sharded sequence nodes, and of course shard sequence verification nodes. Bankia, that's the most important thing. The ANFS is a blockchain platform implemented by the original HPOS consensus algorithm. The current version of Bankia on-chain model network is implemented by NPOS and BFT. About AFS, autonomous network cross-domain flexible sharded system uses efficient consensus mechanism that is fractionally based, where distributed system will work together, and security these network of blockchain is assured. So there's no room for someone to basically intervene, to do something. We are talking about the system that will be proof, guys, that will be unbreakable. We'll talk about that in a moment. So let's compare with others. Bankia, 500 transactions per second. On the other side, Binance Smart Chain, only 50 per transaction per second. And of course, Ethereum blockchain, only 15 transactions per second. And of course, transaction of this blockchain will be way lower, not to mention transaction finality. So guys, please take a look at this. So if you want to find out more about how to become a validator, like I told you, have to click here, and of course to see how does it work, to see the price, find out everything, to see if that's suitable for you. What's the most important thing, guys? That it is powered by Java 11. ANFS is coded in Java for better code readability. So unlike Cardano, which is coded in Haskell, you guys know that Haskell is not really popular. It's kind of difficult to find the right utility for that program language. everyone is using Java nowadays, right? You know that Java is basically like a must. So secure blockchain, NPOs, NPOS, BFT, Byzantine fault tolerance, right? And super fast, 30 seconds within 30 seconds block time. Max supply is 160 million AFS. You can find out more and of course make sure to join their Discord community. Like I told you guys, community here to find out more about how does it work and how to become a validator. You can take a look at their white paper to find out more about their great consensus. So what is basically ANFS, how does it work? And of course take a look at this. Like I told you guys about three different nodes. You can find out more about how does it work: general user node, sequence generator, and sequence verifier. In the HOPS consensus framework, GUs or general user nodes did not participate in consensus directly but are randomly assigned to different shards and can be informed of the latest status of the whole system through the P2P network. On the other side, sequence generator is responsible for sorting the transaction in its shard, constructing the sequence of transaction in its shard, broadcasting the sequence of transaction in its shard within the shard using the gossip protocol, and maintaining communication with SG. Okay guys, and of course we have sequence verifier. SV node are responsible for verifying the transaction sequences generated by the SG and broadcasting the result within the shard. In general, the SV has the same arithmetic power as the SG and can be replaced in case of SG failure. Guys, so this is basically the future. We know that proof of work is not really effective anymore. It's not eco-friendly. Bitcoin has done something great, but it's time to move on and to go with something new. So guys, please take a look at this great article that has been published on Yahoo News. ANFS High Performance Blockchain Consensus HPOS launched to increase operation efficiency and scalability of blockchain networks. So guys, I don't want to repeat this one more time, that this is going to be great. So you can find out more about the company. They're completely legit. And of course, like I told you guys, make sure to follow them on Twitter and join their Discord group. Of course, you can click on their Medium to find out more about what do they have to say about this great project. And guys, until next video, please invest smart.